So these are materials measures about 30 inches by 18 inches. 30 by 18 inches. And we need just one of it, just one for this project. So the next thing to do is to fold the material like so. Just fold it into two, like you can see me doing right now. And I went on to mark 3 by 3 inches, 3 inches by 3 inches, like you can see, 3 inches by 3 inches, like you can see. And then I had to cut out. Cut out. And this is what we have after cutting out. The next thing is to sew. So after sewing, this is what we have. I have this after sewing. So the next thing is to grab it like so and sew, and grab the other side too, and then sew. So this is what we have after sewing. So beautiful. So I had to flip it over to the other side. Just turn it to the other side. And this is what we have. And then I went down by 3 inches. And I had to mark it like so, 3 inches. It's for a reason. I'm doing this for a reason. Yes. So just mark your 3 inches round. And this is what we have after marking it, because I had to connect the lines together. So I had to get the center point. The center point is very important. The center point. That's the center point. So the next thing to do is to come in with my bias. I had to just estimate how long I will need to for this project. So I started placing it like this, of which I will need to sew it round, using that my line as a guide. So this is what I have after sewing it round. So I had to go on and fold round. So this is what we have after sewing. So the next thing I did was to come in with this rope, and then I use my safety pin to put it round the bag, just round, to pass through that case I made. I'm going to put it round. So this is it. This is it. So you can draw to any shape you like, depending on what you have put in your gift bag. Yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Do not forget to like our videos. Do not forget to share. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you. Bye.